Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure your LG Smart TV model supports Bluetooth audio and put the soundbar into its Bluetooth pairing mode. Turn on both units and position them within a few meters to reduce dropouts. Interference from Wi-Fi or microwaves can disrupt pairing. Once done, make sure any phone or tablet nearby has Bluetooth off or disconnected so the soundbar can be discovered. This reduces confusion during pairing and speeds up the next step, where you'll use the TV's settings menu to find the speaker. You now use the TV menus. Open Settings, go to All Settings, then Sound and Sound Out because that's where Bluetooth devices live on LG Web OS. Select Bluetooth device list and start scanning. The TV searches for discoverable speakers. When your soundbar appears, choose it. If a PIN shows, enter it on the TV or accept on the soundbar remote. After pairing, make sure the TV's audio output switches to Bluetooth. This routes all system sounds to the speaker rather than the TV speakers, which avoids echo or duplicated audio. You finish by testing playback. Play video and listen for sync and clarity, then fine-tune TV volume and soundbar modes like movie or dialogue to match. If you notice lip sync delay or frequent dropouts, consider switching to an optical or HDMI ARC connection for stable, low-latency audio. If pairing fails, restart both devices, forget the soundbar in the TV's Bluetooth list, and try pairing again. This simple reset fixes most issues when the device cache or prior connections block discovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.